G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson. We're just going to give you a run through today of what you'll be receiving if you wanted to order one of our hot water boxes. So I've just got one here. So first off, you're going to see this has been welded from 3mm aluminium. This is built in our Brisbane workshop. This is one of our Australian made products. And you're going to see you've got stainless steel latches keeping this closed from the outside. These are also padlocking, so you can put a padlock through those if you like, just to make sure that the contents of this box is nice and secure. When you want to unlock it, you just release these two tabs. You're going to bring it out like so, and you're going to see this is your storage area for your hot water system. It's made taller than most boxes on the market, giving you space down below, and that's where a lot of people would store their shower bags and their shampoos and things like that. Also included with that would be any hosing that's part of your unit. There's space to drop that in there for storage. You've got a full rubber gasket on the outside, so these have exceptional protection from the weather. On the door itself, you're going to have these pilot holes. And your first one will just be mounted up here like so. You've got an adjustable track here that's going to suit your hot water system. And this hook up, many units on the market have a hook to hang it, so you can also put that through there as well if you just want to temporarily hang it. Your second mount is here. That's also going to line up with these pilot holes, and you're going to see that's adjustable as well. So you're going to be able to suit that to whatever height is the market, is the brand that you've got. You've also got these mounting holes underneath to stabilize it and bolt it to the hot water system if there's a pilot hole underneath to allow you to do that. So there you have it. There's our hot water boxes. If you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.